In today's tech video, we're tackling a common question of how to delete apps off your Omni smart TV. Whether you're decluttering your home screen or freeing up space for new apps, I'm here to show you how to do this. So let's dive into it. Deleting apps from your smart TV is actually pretty straightforward. Start by accessing the app menu on your TV. Once you're in the app menu, find the app that you want to delete. It may be labeled as apps, applications, or something similar. Next, select the app and look for an option that says delete, remove, or install. This option might be located in a submenu or accessible through a long press on the app icon. A long press is just holding down on the app for 1 or 2 seconds. Once you've found the option, it might ask to delete or move the app. Just confirm that you want to delete it. And just like that, it's gone. The variation of how to delete an app on your TV always depends on the year and the model of your TV. But this method I explained should point you in the right direction of how to delete an app on your TV. And there you have it. Deleting apps off your smart TV is quick and easy, giving you more control over your entertainment experience. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.